Yo, YouTube, so what you about to see right now is me and my boys in a Texas game, and quite literally, my AI just took over the whole game. So if you want to see more Texas gameplay, just let me know in the comments down below, and hope you enjoy the video.
いい加減おとなしく切られるよ I'm trying to put you in the worst mood. Be more cleaner than the church shoes. Really going to just to hurt you. All that love just to tease you.
I should stream more.
Have you ever streamed?
I'm
Huh?
Hello? This nigga just stopped talking.
Word.
He said I am and stopped talking. Why does
How
he
come
have
you think it said
spectating
spectating?
hitchhiker?
Yeah, I just seen that.
The fuck? I'm not playing. There's an AI playing for me right now.
The Looney
Talking
Tunes
through
was good.
game. Hold on. No, he's still in Discord.
He's talking to a game, but he's not saying nothing.
Bro, look at my stream. This shit is there the whole game.
Bug. Oh, there you are, Looney.
He's back.
I'm back. It kicked me from the VC.
Looney,
Yo?
look at my stream. Look what it says.
Chimichangas. Oh, let me open Twitch.
I'm stuck on the spectating screen.
Really?
Look, it says spectating.
Bro's playing. Bro's playing while spectating. Actually,
No, bro.
fucking insane.
My AI is playing right now.
Say you swear.
I swear.
There's no fucking way.
He plays just like me, too.
Bum, 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 bum.
Up. Time for me to go upstairs.
About Uchiha her feeding people.
Word, but he don't want to feed me.
Oh, bro,
Right?
what? Look, someone's marked.
Yeah. Come here, Anna. Anna, you dirty whore.
Who's here?
I'm going upstairs. Anna, open Anna, open the door. In the middle, the shack.
The shack. Did she go up it?
She opened. I chased her away.
That sounds like Goofy.
Yo.
The fuck? The fuck was that?
Somebody around here has to catch him.
Julie, barn.
Barn?
Yeah, going out barn.
Anna, still in the fucking middle, bro. Yeah, I'll let her come upstairs. Oh, I see her.
Red
I see her.
Red house.
Let's trap her. Let's pinch her. Pinch her.
They're both here. Sunny and Julie.
I can't fucking get in there because, you know.
Oh, we got kills at the same time.
Hey.
Oh, that shit is fire, bro. That looked clean as fuck. I ain't gonna lie.
Facts. The two
Bro said we like to play.
The two brothers. W.
Bro said we like he was actually playing. He's actually insane.
in game and IRL.
Yeah, true. But we're not hippies.
Bro thinks he's.
Word. Someone. Oh no,
Shit.
never mind.
Bot got a kill. You still haven't got a kill.
Shit,
Step
you
your-
telling me I'm collecting
Step your
blood?
game up.
Y'all got that.
Bro,
I
I
got
reached my
that.
grandpa
Collecting
twice.
blood.
Oh, my bot played my grandpa
Yeah.
twice.
Let me tell you something.
With 100 blood.
I don't remember asking. You know. It's
Damn.
actually insane out there.
You don't need to
What-
ask. I'm just pointing out the
What's
obvious.
good, bro?
Now you don't have to point out nothing, man. You're not black enough. Alright, let me listen. Oh, they're in basement.
One or two.
Valve.
Just one.
Come with me, Hitch.
Tell me about that.
Yeah, come with me. Let's turn it off. You turn it off, I'll protect you.
Connie's here, and Anna. They're both here, both here. Anna's right, Anna's behind. See, I'm trying to stab me.
I hit her. Hit her twice, hit her twice. Oh. Oh, her fucking ability is crazy. Hit her 4 times, and one my rev was fully charged.
No way it restarts.
Yeah, it does, it does. You got it, though. You got it.
You think?
Yeah.
Alright, go upstairs, go upstairs, go upstairs, go upstairs.
I beg your pardon.
Should I camp this?
You're gonna camp it? Okay, bro.
I beg your pardon.
Yeah, I could camp it.
Alright, I'm gonna just collect blood and get Grandpa to 5. I already got 60. I just need 2 more.
I got 63.
Connie on me, Connie on me, Connie on me. Hit her once, hit her once.
Oh, you're right here. She's dead, she's dead, she's dead. I'm gonna feed Grandpa, he's gonna be at 5. I'm gonna feed Grandpa, he's gonna be at 5. Alright, Grandpa's at 5. Give him like 4 seconds to swallow this.
Why are you running?
Still by
Yes.
valve.
Swallow that liquid.
Bitch. Yes. Hold it.
I
Alright.
think I hear her. Oh, there you are. You wanna stab me, right, bitch?
One eternity later.
She's behind you. Hitch. I mean, Cook.
She's dead.
Stab me, right, bitch?
Nice.
Yeah, my bot killed you, bitch. Fuck you. Suck a dick.
Yeah.
Easy W's. GG's too easy.
Yeah, GG.
You gotta die to my AI.
It's only Connie in here, fucking not. They all left.
Too
One more
easy.
game, one more game and I level up.
W's.
Yo, Looney, have you?
Yo, YouTube, if you enjoy that video, watching my AI literally destroy these victims, make sure to drop a like, share the video, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Peace out.
My name is Sasuke Uchiha. I hate a lot of things, and I don't particularly like anything.